Having a good background can either make or break your video. So in this video I will show you how you can create these gradient backgrounds in After Effects without any plugins or presets, so you will never have to use this again. Okay, let's not waste any more time. As you can see, we're right here in After Effects. The first thing we want to do is click on New Composition, and then we can create a composition. And for that you want to choose the preset HD 24 FPS. Now we created a composition, and the first thing we will have to do is click right click and create a new solid background. You can choose any color, it doesn't matter at the moment. Now come over to the right, hit Effects and Presets and search for color gradient and drag it onto your white solid. Then go over to the left, and right here you will see the effect controls. Now we will have to choose a color for our background. And for the color palette, what I recommend you do, if you don't have one yet, is go to the site called Colors. I will link it to you in the description, and on there you will find tons of color palettes you can use for your video. I will just use this one right here, Midnight Magic, and I can simply copy all the color codes by clicking on them. So I will copy the first color code, go back to After Effects, and now click on color 1 and change the color to the color I just copied. And then I will do that for the next color, so let's use this one, go back to After Effects and paste it in for 0.2. And I will just continue to do that for all the colors that I have in this color palette. So let's copy all of it, and now go back to After Effects and paste it. So as you can see, we now have our color palette ready. This is our main background, our main color palette, and now we want to add some movement. So come to the bottom left, click right click, new, and create a new adjustment layer. Now again go to Effects and Presets and search for Turbulent Displace and drag it onto your adjustment layer. Then change the displacement type from turbulent to twist and turn the size up to 400. Now we want to create the movement. So search for evolution, and if you're on Mac, click Option left click, or if you're on Windows, Alt left click. Now this window will pop up where you will have to type in following: time, and then times 80, and then just hit enter. I will also put you all the expressions into the description. Then we can close out this window right here and go back into our turbulent displays. And if we play the effect now, we can see that it's changing based on the time. Now the next effect we want to add is called motion tiles. So come over to Effects and Presets, delete the previous search and type in motion tile. And as we can see, it's right here, so drag it onto your adjustment layer and make sure you drag it above the turbulent displace. Now change the output width to 350 and the output height as well, and make sure to enable mirror edges. And now our background is nearly finished. We only need to add one more effect. For that we have to create another adjustment layer and then come over to Effects and Presets and search for Gaussian blur and drag it onto the new adjustment layer. So hold left click and drag it on there. Now change the blurriness to something between 50 and 100. I will do 75. And yeah, as you can see, the effect is finished and we get this cool moving background. And that's already it for the tutorial. It's really simple. So go ahead and start with it right now, since those backgrounds are better than the backgrounds I see most of the video editors using. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.